All right, guys, Anthony, Super Service. All right, this is basically Aaron's block. We got a truck. This is the truck we flipped a coin for. We're finally tearing it apart. Pull the engine out of it. It's actually a part out truck. It's got a good cab. We're gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell the cab, but I think I'm taking some stuff off of it. But yeah, so 6.4 wheel clog oil cooler. So it doesn't matter. I mean, keep up on the coolant maintenance. This truck has 170,000 miles on it, and this is a Ford reman. So who knows how it's got quite a bit of miles on it. You could tell. It's just how everything came apart, that it was not a fairly new one. So who knows how many miles it's got on it. I did pull a rod cap off and I pulled the main off, and it is a ground crank. See that 0.25 millimeter? So, oh, the date code right there. Hey, 5 of 13. So 2013 is when the bearing was made. So figure 13, 14. So it might have 5 years, maybe. So it's been in for about 5 years. Oil cooler clogged. Freaking nasty. Nasty hell crap. But it's got a 10 over crank. We're gonna actually be taking this apart. We're gonna ceramic pistons, balance rotating assembly. I gotta see what the bores are, what they clean up to. What's kind of scary is hopefully this doesn't have that spray bore, the spray welding on the bores. I might go ahead. I'm only gonna really go to 20. So I might go ahead and just cut it to 20, no matter what it cleans up at, just to try it. But on the other side of that, I don't want to cut the spray weld too thin and wind up with the spray weld coming off. But we're just gonna have to look real close as we're machining it, as we're honing it out. So let's see what else. I don't think there's really too much else. Front cover is absolutely beautiful. No cavitation at all. I kind of got all the parts sitting here. Front cover is beautiful. That's freaking nice. So it didn't have any leaks, but it must have just had nasty freaking coolant in it. Who knows? Maybe when they put the reman in it, they just put the same coolant back in it. I don't know. But it's freaking nasty. So I thought I would show that 6.4 oil cooler will clog up. Don't ignore the coolant just because you got a 6.4. Still, let's clean it up and get it. Let's not ignore it. So, all right, guys. Quick video. Have a good day.